Now, smart homes, they're nice and they make our lives easier. But what do you do about the appliances that you already own that are not Wi-Fi enabled? Alexa, turn on the ceiling fan.
Sorry, I'm having trouble understanding right now.
And that's where the Bond comes in. The remote controls in your home send special signals using radio waves or infrared. The Bond can read, remember, and duplicate these signals. It also connects to your home Wi-Fi. So using your phone, tablet, Amazon Echo, Google Home, whatever you want, you control the Bond controls your appliances, and you'll never need your old remotes again.
Meet the August Smart Lock. Control who you welcome into your home like never before. August installs on the inside of your door and makes your smartphone a smart key, and more. August automatically unlocks your door as you approach, so no more fumbling for keys. And it locks automatically when you leave. With the August Smart Lock, give guests like dog walkers, delivery people, or friends and family virtual keys with access for a few days, a few hours, or even just specific times. Never leave keys under the mat or in fake rocks again. The August Smart Lock allows you to let in who you want when you want, and get instant notifications when anyone comes and goes from your home using the August app, so you know your loved ones are home safe. And you can even keep track of guests with a 24/7 activity log right on your smartphone. With August Smart Lock, send virtual keys to guests and never copy a key again. Give guests access for a few days, a few hours, or specific times. Always know who comes and goes with a 24/7 activity log. And stop fumbling for keys. August Smart Lock automatically locks and unlocks your door. The August Smart Lock is part of the August Home Access System. Welcome to a life that's more simple and secure.
Belle, Mr. Cuddles, Tony, this is Alla Pro. Alla Pro, meet the boys. You guys want some cupcakes? Alla Pro's pretty awesome, guys. She's wire-free, she's got 2A audio, free cloud storage, HD quality, and she's weatherproof. Oh, and she's rechargeable. Oh, the doorbell. Packages under the bench, please. Thank you. Pretty cool, right?
We all want a comfortable place to call home, a place to relax, to snuggle in for just a few more minutes. People don't think about their thermostat, and at Honeywell, we like to keep it that way. No matter what the weather may bring, our Wi-Fi smart thermostats will maintain the perfect balance of comfort and energy efficiency inside. They're easy to install and program. Simply connect the thermostat to your home wireless network and access the temperature from any internet device or smartphone. Anytime, anywhere in the world. Allowing you to focus on the little moments that make life special. Smart Alerts will update you on changing weather or give you gentle maintenance reminders. Our Smart Response System learns your home, giving you the desired temperature when you need it. Change colors to match every decor, style, or mood. Even adjust the temperature from anywhere to set the perfect mood for a special night. Experience the latest in smart comfort control from a company you can trust and has been the leader in thermostats for over a century. For more information, check out WiFiThermostat.com.